3, 2, 1.
What is the setting for The Great Gatsby? The answer is B, London. Which river runs through the city of Bangkok? The answer is D, Chao Phraya. What is so fragile that saying its name breaks it? The answer is C, time. What organ is divided into the duodenum, the jejunum, and the ileum? The answer is B, small intestine. Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? The answer is A, camel. Fossils themselves and the order in which they appear in are generally collectively called what? The answer is D, fossil record. Herbivores are heterotrophs that eat only or mainly what? The answer is A, plants. Which of the following Oscar-nominated movies won the award for Best Animated Feature at the 2004 ceremony? The answer is C, Finding Nemo. What vehicle does Batman drive in the comic books? The answer is A, Batmobile. What is the name of Tom Hanks' character in the movie The Burbs? The answer is A, Ray Peterson. What type of cell has negative anode is positive cathode? The answer is B, voltaic cell. In recent years, however, researchers have discovered that microsporidia actually have tiny organelles derived from what? The answer is A, mitochondria. Homologous chromosomes move toward what poles? The answer is A, opposite. On his third voyage to the Western Hemisphere, Columbus wrote that he found where the Garden of Eden was. What do we now call the area which Columbus felt was the Garden of Eden? The answer is D, Venezuela. What was the name of the deity whose statue Achilles beheaded in the film Troy? The answer is D, Apollo. What is IBM's first product? The answer is A, typewriter. Who was the Greek god of prophecy and archery? The answer is A, Apollo. On the TV show The Wiggles, which one of the following is not the name of one of the Wiggles? The answer is C, Jim. The breasts contain what to give milk to feed a baby? The answer is C, mammary glands. What is the name of Leonardo DiCaprio's character in The Basketball Diaries 1995? The answer is C. Jim. What vegetable is a staple in Indian cuisine and known as bhindi in Hindi? The answer is C. Okra. Who coined the theory that the Earth revolves around the Sun? The answer is A. Nicolaus Copernicus. What is the meaning of the Greek name Stephen or Stephen? The answer is B. Crown. The lithosphere extensive divisions are based on what? The answer is C. Mechanical properties. In order to locate a beetle population, scientists must use a highly specialized piece of equipment. Which factor would most likely limit the ability to locate beetles? The answer is B. Expense. Who won the Wimbledon women's singles in 2019? The answer is D. Naomi Osaka. What was the first video game to use voice chat? The answer is C. Halo 2. What is Harry's first line in the book Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows? The answer is B. What the? Which state would receive the least amount of rainfall? The answer is D. Arizona. A student uses a fan and a box of sand to model the formation of sand dunes. This model shows the effect of which natural factor on the landscape? The answer is A. Wind. Terrestrial ecosystems, also known for their diversity, are grouped into large categories called what? The answer is A. Biomass. Which system is divided into the somatic and autonomic nervous systems? The answer is D. Peripheral nervous system. What is the main ingredient in ratatouille, a traditional French dish? The answer is C. Zucchini. What can travel around the world without leaving its corner? The answer is B. Corner of a map. There is a Russian tradition of spitting 3 times to chase away bad luck, similar to knocking on wood. Where should one spit? The answer is C. Over their left shoulder. Abnormally high activity or low activity of the parathyroid gland can cause disorders related to levels of what bone mineral? The answer is D. Calcium. In which environment is white fur color an advantage for survival? The answer is C. Arctic tundra. Which kitchen appliance is used for boiling water? The answer is C. Kettle. Which famous psychologist developed the theory of behavior modification? The answer is A. B.F. Skinner. In which situation would there be the greatest amount of humidity? The answer is C. Before a hurricane. Which city has the Sagrada Familia? The answer is B. Barcelona. Where is the Great Barrier Reef located? The answer is A. Pacific Ocean. What is the word for a group of sheep? The answer is A. A flock. What do ecosystems require constant inputs of? The answer is C. Energy. What is a wrench typically used for? The answer is D. Turning bolts. What country singer/songwriter recorded an album titled Red-Headed Stranger? The answer is C. Willie Nelson. What is it that you can catch, but not throw, see, but not hear? The answer is A. Shadow. What was the most precious metal for the people of the Americas in ancient times? The answer is B. Gold. In what year does the storyline of Watchmen take place? The answer is B. 1985. What does the F stand for in the FBI?